Good morning, children. This is Manju Das. Welcome you all on online teaching 2020 to 21. In the previous chapter, we have studied about the autotrophic mode of nutrition in the plants. Autotrophic mode of nutrition in the plants means the green plants which prepare their own food by using the non-living components and producing the complex organic molecules. It cannot depend on the other organism. That's why these are called as a primary producers. Under the autotrophic nutrition, we have studied about the photosynthesis, definitions of the photosynthesis. What are the various materials required for making the photosynthesis, product of the photosynthesis, and the last we have studied about the importance of a photosynthesis. Now today we are going to learn about the heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Let us learn in the detail about the heterotrophic nutrition. Before starting, I want to say that heterotrophic nutrition means the organism or especially the plants, these are the non-green plants. They does not able to prepare the food. Fully they depends on the other plants for obtaining the food because they do not have a green pigment that is called as a chlorophyll. So let us discuss in some details about the various ways in which non-green plants synthesis their food. Nutrition in non-green plants. Non-green plants and animals like bacteria and fungi are also completely or partially depends on the other living organism for food. Depending on their sources of food, these can be divided into the four categories: parasites, saprophytes, insectivorous, and the symbiosis. Let us see the first topic, that is about the parasite. These plants are these plants or animals which lives in or on other organism called host. Example is a dodder. Dodder is also called umbrella. It is a total parasite that sucks a food from a plant by producing a special type of a root-like a structure called hosteria. Plants such as cascata. Cascata is another example of parasitic plants which have a green leaves. They synthesize their own food but receives the water, takes the waters and minerals from the other host plant, and that's why this is called as a partial parasitic in nature. Now the next topic is about the saprophyte. Saprophytes is also a non-green plant. This does not contain a chlorophyll pigment in into. Example is a mushroom. They depends on the dead decaying matters. They release a special types of enzymes, and that enzymes break down a complex organic matter into the simpler one, and then it is absorbed. Example is agaricus, mushroom, fungi, yeast, and the bacteria. Now next topic is about insectivorous plant. Insectivorous plants means some plants also feed a small insects and develop to capture their food. Example is a pitcher plant and Drosera and Rafflesia. In these plants where they grow, they does not have there it does not have a sufficient amount of nutrients. So that's why it depends upon the insects for getting the nutrients. Let us see about the pitcher plants in the details. In pitcher plant, the leaf is modified to form a pitcher-like structure. The pitchers are attractive and brightly colored. Why it is a brightly colored? So that to attract the insect towards itself. When the insects are attracted towards the pitcher plant, uh, the the lead close and the insect is trapped inside the pitcher plant. Inside the pitcher plant, the tiny hairs are there, and through the tiny hairs, the insects are trapped. The insect is then digested by the enzymes present in the digestive juices secreted by the cell of the plant. And now we are going to learn about the symbiosis. In this mode of nutrition, two different plants are living together and living together for their mutual benefit. An example is lichen is the combinations of algae and the fungus which live together. The fungus does not have a chlorophyll pigment, so it supplies a waters and mineral to the cells of a algae. Algae is a green in color which helps in preparing the food, and after preparing the food is applied to the fungus. Such both are mutually benefited. In this, both are mutually benefited type of nutrients called as a symbiosis nutrition. Now let us. I will show you some picture of a that parasitic plants, saprophytes, and the insectivorous plants. Let us see the uh, figure 11. See here, parasitic plant. This is the picture of the parasitic plant. First one is the cascata. Second one is the viscum is another parasitic plant. This is a parasitic plant, sir. Now the figure 12, you can see this is a mushroom. Mushroom is a fungus. It is a non-green plant. It is a saprophyte. This comes under a saprophyte. Now figure 13 you can see. Now figure 13 you can see that first one is a Venus flytrap and the second one is the pitcher plant. So these two are the insectivorous plant.